What's up guys, the Flyin Tech here, and today we're going to be checking out the JUN Toys Smart Observation Drone by Lightake. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so this is going to be a real quick review. I actually heard that this bird was not the best in the world, so we're going to take it up, we're going to see how it flies. So we'll go ahead and run through this real quick. Here's everything that comes in the kit. Quad itself, a set of extra props, a TX holder for your phone. You get a 7.4 volt 1200 mAh battery. Gives you about 7 minutes of flight time, if that. Universal USB battery charger, a Phillips screwdriver and Allen wrench. The landing gear and camera I've already installed. As you can see, the camera plugs right into the bottom there. Right here is the on-off switch. This camera does have a feature on the TX where you can move the gimbal up and down. It is a single access gimbal. It will only go up and down for you. So let's see if we can move that camera. There it goes. See the camera moving there? I mean, that is a cool feature that the camera moves. There's no doubt about it. I just feel like it's wasted on this quad. So this does have Wi-Fi FPV. This does have a slot for a built-in SD card, but this one does not come with one, so make note of that. Which means all pictures and video will be directly recorded to your phone. There is no SD card built into this one. And a set of instructions. Now the instructions tell you how to get to the smartphone app to do the Wi-Fi portion of this, which this does have. You can do Wi-Fi FPV. That is just not a feature I enjoy and not one that I promote. All right guys, let's go for a flight. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and calibrate it. So down and to the right on both joysticks. We've got it now calibrated. All right, here we go. Let's unlock it. Let's take it up. This thing is way hard to control. Look at it. There's not even any wind today. Oh my God. Whoa. It isn't, oh my God. Let's try the 1-key land. I'm sorry, that's not the 1-key land. That just kills the motors in case of emergency. What a great feature, right? Why would you want to do that to a quad? Why would you want to just drop it out of midair? But okay. All right, guys, we're going to take it up now and test out the camera. So let's check it out. Let's recalibrate it. Okay. Let's try a little height. There's the yaw rate. I mean, it's not a terrible yaw. It's just, I don't know. It's not really responsive like I'm used to. You can see that lagginess in it. It's got a 1-key return. Let's try that. Yeah, don't look like it's coming back. I had to do that. Let's try that again. No, the 1-key return isn't doing anything. It's very mildly windy, if at all, and this thing is just, look at that, it's just being taken away from me. I'm just gonna watch. There it goes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God, it's all over the place. Now you guys know I'm a better flyer than this, so this thing must be a piece of junk if I can't fly it. There's some funnels for you. Everybody who said it wasn't good is correct. It doesn't fly right. Look at it, it wants to take off. Now I calibrated this. Now watch. See ya. All right, let's try the trim. Let's try to trim it out and see if maybe trimming it out will help. All right. All right. Now let's let it just hover. Now you see hovering? It doesn't want to just hover. It cannot hold its position. And this does have altitude hold. It just doesn't want to hold it. It just wants to keep going around wherever it wants to go. See, it's kind of getting that toilet bowl effect on it a little. It's all over the place, and I'm not doing anything. I do not recommend this at all. I think that's it, guys. I've seen enough. Okay, it landed all right. So my final thoughts are, this thing's a piece of junk, guys. I'm gonna give it a big old fat thumbs down. Honestly, I don't think that you should purchase this. It's all over the place. It doesn't want to hold its position. It kind of toilet bowls after a while. It seems cumbersome, bulky, clunky, and just isn't responsive. So don't get this one, guys. It's a bad one. All right, guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. Leave all comments below. We love to get your comments. And with that, guys, as always, happy flying.